we start?
Start.
Okay, good. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? That's right. And we are Ryan and Rae Make Ice Cream. We are going to start a little YouTube channel so we can show our friends how to make ice cream. Is that going to be so much fun? Yeah, I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. Today we're going to start off by making some cake and cookies ice cream. Does it look good? Does it taste good? Yeah, I'm super excited about it. Are you super excited about it? Alright, so we're going to make it, and we'll show you how to. So let's say, let's go!
Let's go.
So, first things first, what do we need?
Cream.
Cream? We do need that, but we're going to start off with sugar. And we're actually going to use two kinds of sugar. A regular sugar. And what we're going to do is use about a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. Does that sound right? Cool.
Do it.
Yeah, you can do the next one. Alright, so we got a 1/4 cup right there. You want to pour it in? Yeah. Alright, cool. We'll pour it in right here. Good job. Next up, we are going to do brown sugar. So, we'll do a little bit of that. You want to do it? Alright, cool. Ray's going to pour it in. Good job. So now what do we need?
Sugar.
Sugar? Well, we just put sugar in.
Milk.
Milk? Alright, cool.
Mom.
Milk! We are going to use 1 cup of milk. Can you say one?
Mom.
1 milk. Alright, so we're going to pour 1 cup. Alright, Ray, you want to help me pour it in? Alright, cool. Here, let's do it together. Wow!
We drink it.
You want to drink it?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Alright, and next thing we need, what do we need next? Cream! That's right. Some heavy whipping cream. We'll shake it up because it's brand new. You want to pour it in? Sounds good. We can do that. We have our sweet 2 cups right here. So we're going to pour it in until we get to 2 cups. Sorry, Ray, I'm probably blocking your view. 2 cups. Can you say 2 cups?
Go 2 cups.
That's right. All right, you want to pour it in? Ooh, don't make a mess. You got it. You got it. Ooh, good job. Keep on pouring. Keep on pouring. Keep on pouring. Yay! Ooh, a little more. So we got our 2 cups right here. You want to drink it? Sounds good. Ray's going to clean all that up. And now it's time for the cake mix. Ooh, we should probably clean you up. We'll clean you up in a little bit. Want to dump that in? All right, cool. So we're going to do a 1/2 cup of cake mix. Uh-oh, make a mess. There we go. It's about a 1/2 cup. There you go. You want to pour that in? Yeah, I'll clean that up. You want to pour that in? Good job. All right. Oh, Daddy's making a real mess over here. This is bad. Last but not least, we're going to use cookie butter. Alright, so what we'll do, get a nice clean thing of Biscoff cookie butter. We're going to take 1 big scoop. I don't know, you won't be able to do this one. How about Daddy do this one? Pour that in. And voila! Now we just got to mix it up. So, let's go over there. You ready? Alright, so we've moved over to our next station. We've got our ice cream right here with everything that we just put in there. And
Break it, bake it.
bake it? Or break it, I'm not sure what he said, but alright, so now we are going to put that down. And you want to turn it on, baby?
Down.
Oh, left side. There you go. Perfect. Almost. There we go, good job. And now we're going to let that mix for about 5 minutes. With the cookie butter in there, it might take a little bit longer just because that has to break up. But soon enough, it'll be done. It'll be ready to put. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Ray's going to film. Alright, don't put it too close. Alright, you want to put it up here? You're a little down? Sure. Cool. So now we're gonna wait just a couple minutes for that to be done, and we'll move it over to the ice cream mix. Good filming, baby. I'm proud of you. So now we're gonna turn it off. We should have a pretty good mix, and we're going to test it. Oh, I got it. I'll give you a little taste, okay? All right. So now let's see how this is. What do you think? You want to taste it again? All right, can Daddy taste it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Mmm. One more taste. All right, one tiny taste. You want to look to our friends and tell them how it is? Is it good? All right, so we're gonna mix a little more. And we'll get the ice cream bowl ready. Ready for the cold bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. So now, what we want to do is get our freezer, or our cold bowl, we call it. Rae, this is her favorite part. We keep it in the freezer for about 24 hours so it gets nice and frozen. How is it? Is it good? All right, cool. So then, I'm gonna put that right on there. Now we will take our mixture. We'll pour this right into our mixture. So now, we'll take this part, I forget what it's called, and then I'll figure it out. You can taste them just a little bit. And we'll put the top on. And Rae, you want to turn it on? There you go. That will let that mix for about 25 minutes. And Rae is going to try the rest of that. So our ice cream is all done. You can see how thick it is. And Rae is going to do our first test. That one's good. All right, tell our friends what you think. You like it?
Make a face.
There you go, friends. Good job. All right, cool. So let's put it in our container and we'll put it in the freezer.
No ice cream in there.
All right, guys, so we are here with our final product. We have our cake and cookie batter ice cream, super good. And we're going to take our container and we're going to take our ice cream. Let's see. Ready? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to take this and we'll put it right in here. You want to try it?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You can have some just a little bit. There we go. Thank you.
Let me try it.
I'll let you try it just a little bit. Perfect. So there we have it. Yeah, you can try it. You can try it just a little bit. So we've got right in here, and what we'll do is we're gonna put it in the freezer for a couple hours, and typically 3 to 4 hours should be good. Honestly, you can eat it just like this though. You like it, Rae? You wanna tell your friends what you like about it? You like it? That's good enough for me. There you have it. We will put the recipe in the descriptions so you guys can all try this at home as we are doing it. And we are going to have a lot more fun eating this. So for now, I think it's time to go bye-bye. So what should we say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Move.
Wish I was some soup.
Oh, that's the same thing.